Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. 𝗏𝗏𝗱𝗿𝗀𝗵𝗂𝗏, respected members of the Board of Governors, Mr. Barrister 𝗖𝗵𝗶𝗃𝗵𝗂𝗵, President Shahnaz Wazir Ali, Vice President Professor Dr. 𝗟𝗏𝗶𝗃𝗵𝗏, Ms. Nasreen Haq, Mr. 𝗚𝗵𝗫𝗄 Qazi, Deans, Registrars, Head of Departments, faculty, staff, and especially a very warm welcome to parents and the graduating students of all undergrad programs. Assalamu alaikum, good evening. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I welcome you all to the 22nd Convocation of SZABIST. Today we celebrate the academic achievements of 1,398 graduates, including 842 undergrads students, who are completing an important chapter of their educational journey. This remarkable number reflects not only individual perseverance, but also the collective strength of families, faculties, and an institution committed to excellence. This convocation is more than a ceremonial conclusion. It marks a transition from structural learning to purposeful application, from classroom to communities, and from potential to responsibility. SZABIST was founded in 1995 by Shaheed 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏 Bhutto with a visionary purpose to create an institution that blends academic excellence with ethical leadership, democratic values, and social responsibility. Over the decades, SZABIST has grown into a nationally and internationally recognized university chartered by the government of Sindh and is recognized by the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, with graduates contributing meaningfully across all sectors. At SZABIST, we believe education is not merely about acquiring credentials, it's about cultivating intellect, character, and purpose. As philosopher 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏 reminds us, education is about the passive absorption of facts. It's not about the passive absorption of facts, but about cultivating the ability to think critically, to imagine, and to act with compassion. These values define SZABIST graduates. You are entering a world shaped by artificial intelligence, digital platforms, creative economies, and rapid technological change. As 𝗟𝗏𝗿𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏 cautions, the most important skill in the 21st century will be the ability to deal with change. Your success will depend not only on what you know today, but on how effectively you adapt, collaborate, and innovate. To our business graduates, Pakistan needs leaders who can combine profitability with purpose, leaders who value governance, transparency, and sustainable growth. To our IT and computer science graduates, you are the architects of the digital future, from software and data to artificial intelligence, cybersecurity. Your responsibility is to ensure that technology serves society ethically and inclusively. To our social science graduates, your understanding of people, institutions, and policies is indispensable for social cohesion, evidence-based decision-making, and national development. Across all disciplines today, world values communication, creativity, and collaboration as much as technical expertise is required. As Simon Sinek reminds us, leadership is not about being in charge, it is about taking care of those in your charge. At this juncture, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to our chief guest, Mr. 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, Chief Executive Officer of the Pakistan Stock Exchange, for joining us on this important day. The PSX is not merely a trading platform, it is a cornerstone of Pakistan's financial architecture, where capital formation, corporate governance, regulatory frameworks, digital systems, and investor confidence converge. Mr. 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏's leadership is especially relevant for our graduate scholars. Capital markets today are shaped by data analytics, financial technology, regulatory research, risk modeling, and policy analysis areas, where advanced business knowledge, technological expertise, and social science research intersect. His presence underscores the importance of research-informed decision-making in strengthening financial institutions and driving sustainable economic development. We are honored by his presence and grateful for his contribution to Pakistan's financial ecosystem. As graduates of SZABIST, you now carry the responsibility of representing this institution. Our values, integrity, excellence, innovation, and social responsibility must be reflected in your professional conduct and civic engagement. Many of you will step directly into the professional world. Others will feel the call to deepen your expertise, strengthen your research skills, and prepare for leadership roles through advanced studies. I encourage you to consider continuing your academic journey with SZABIST, an institution that already knows your potential, shares your values, and offers strong graduate and postgraduate programs designed to meet the evolving demands of academia, industry, and society. Lifelong learning is not a choice anymore, it is a necessity. Let us recall the words of Shaheed Zulfikar Bhutto, who said, "Education is the basic right of every citizen, and it is through education that nations rise. Education remains Pakistan's strongest foundation for progress." Equally inspiring are the words of Shaheed 𝗏𝗏 Benazir Bhutto, who reminded us that democracy is the best revenge. An educated, ethically grounded generation is the strongest safeguard of democracy, justice, and national dignity. As you move forward, define success not merely by titles or incomes, but by impact and contribution. Measure your achievements by the institutions you strengthen, the lives you improve, and the values you uphold. Carry the legacy of SZABIST with pride, lead with integrity, innovate responsibly, serve with humility. And never forget that the future of Pakistan depends on educated minds guided by principled hearts like yours. I would like to thank Dr. McCarthy and the Convocation Committee for their hard work in organizing this event. Once again, congratulations to the graduating class of 1,398 students, especially our 848 undergraduates. We are proud of you, we believe in you, and we look forward to welcoming many of you back to SZABIST as postgraduate students, researchers, and future leaders. May your journey ahead be guided by wisdom, courage, and service. Pakistan, 𝗵𝗏𝗍𝗏. Thank you.